let me show you how I will make my first 200,000 naira as a beginner in digital marketing without no experience. I want to share with you how to get clients who are 100% interested in the service that you render. Second one is how to obtain their phone number, okay? And then lastly is what kind of message will you send to them and offer that you will create, okay? So if you like this kind of content and many more in this channel, talk about sales and how to make money online, consider subscribing to the channel. So if I want to get clients who are interested in my services and then they're going to pay me money for that, this is first thing I will do first. Go to Google and then I will do a quick search. As you can see on my screen here, first thing I'll type here is business owners in Abakaliki. Since I'm in Abakaliki, I will look for business owners in Abakaliki. As you can see here, and since it too of Abakaliki and the rest of them. So what I'll simply need to do is I will open them on a new page. When I open these businesses, I will go through to see the kind of services that they render. That is the first one. I will note it. Next again is I will go to ChatGPT. I will do a very quick search. The best and popular business in this location where I am right now, ChatGPT will give me a lot of them, which are already done. There is one I saw here. I saw like fitness, I saw pets, medical and consulting firms, and the rest of them. So as you can see here, this is gym, mega gym. You can see smart and fit wellness resources. So if I open this, let me show you something. If I click on mega gym right now, it will open to this side. Do you see it here now? 66V Afibo Road, Abakaliki. Yes, and this is this person phone number. That is wonderful right now. So which means, and this phone number you are seeing here now is their WhatsApp contact, which means I can send them a WhatsApp message here. And if you watch here, there are many extensions that we have installed here in order to track some certain metrics here. So now I've known that what I simply need to do is, since this person is in gym, what are they looking for? Gym are looking for membership. They want people to come and join their membership and then buy some of their supplements and a whole lot of them. So if I've done that, next thing I will do right now is for me to generate a copy that I will send them. If I do not have any, I will go to ChatGPT and I will give it a quick search, okay? I will go and take all the details of this fitness here, the name, the address, the phone number. I'll go to their bio and then I'll go to their description. I even go on their Facebook and see exactly who is their target audience. If they have websites, I also go there. By the time I'm doing get the right information, mind you, if you know more about this company or about the person you want to sell to, it becomes very easy for them to buy what you are selling. So I will need to research more about them, gather some information, and then bring it to ChatGPT here and tell ChatGPT to generate a simple message I will send to pitch them on how I can help them to solve the identifiable problems which I have seen on their website or on their social media accounts. So ChatGPT will give me a very quick prompt, and that is what I will send to them on their DM. And I have done this countless number of times. When I have done that, I will initiate a conversation with them. Now they will get to talk with us. What this person wants to find out, what they want to find out is how professional are you to helping them get solution, because people will not just come and employ you or pay you money for you to work for them. No, there are a lot of people that can do it, but they want to pay you specifically on your offer. What are you able to do for them? And that is when offer creation comes in. So you tailor down your product or your services. Someone like me, I can only make a claim that will get them results in less than 24 hours. Flood their pipeline, get them people to contact them, which is what has been working and is very simple to do. Okay, design their website copy, help them manage social media account, create flyer, create design that can increase their productivity and make them money. Okay, apart from that, I also give them an offer to working with their sales team member for free, being part of it, making sure that those people who are coming actually get converted. Work into their company, work into their system, and see what I can able to fix in order to help them become productive. These are part of the offer that I will create for them, and they get converted. Many of them 250,000, 300,000 naira. This is how specific. If you target locational business owners and you look into their business and profile a solution, because every business owners are looking for how to make more money and how to grow their businesses. So if you can come in and mind that is a very top skill, if you can come in and help them solve this problem, they are willing to pay you a whole lot, and they can go beyond collecting salary, collecting payments, to bidding for equity, bidding for fractional payment from any revenue that generate for them. I don't know if that makes sense to you right now. So if you find value in this content, this video, find a way to subscribe, click on the subscription button, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll give you a response. Okay, so if you like to learn more about digital marketing, watch this video here, and it is going to guide you everything you need to know about digital marketing. Okay, every is here. Bye for now. Let's catch you on the next one.